channel. In this video, I'm going to convert your website to an Android app. I know that there are lots of websites that can help you to do that, but those websites normally display ad or leave a watermark on the app, which means that they are going to be showing their watermark or displaying ad whenever you use their platform to convert your website into app. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can convert your website to app for free. You don't need to pay anything and without watermark. If you are new to my channel, please kindly do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get a notification for that. So this platform that we are going to be using, this platform is unique and is a new platform. So kindly watch this video to the end for you to be able to know the platform that you are going to use to convert our website to app. So now I want to convert this website now. So this is an SMM website. So I've just come to this site here now, and they just copy the link. So this website is where you come and purchase your social media follower and all that via social booster. So I want to convert this website to app. So, and this is the platform that you are going to be using. So once we are in the home page like this, all we just need to come to the site and just input our link here, or we can just click on this create button here now. So now let me just input my website link here now. So this is the link that I want to convert. Now just click on this icon, this arrow icon here. Once you click on this, then you are going to be directed to a page like this, where you are going to see a place that you just need to input your content default stuff. So now this is our app name, because they just automatically generate it from the website, and I think the website description, which we insert on the website description in the HTML tag. So we just need to select our app name, which is I'm just going to be using it like this. So just use capital letter with some space. So this is it now. So via social booster, and then I'm going to input my email. This is my email here now. Then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to click on start building my app. Very easy. So you don't just need to do anything, and it's all for free. That is just the best part of it. So now once we click on this start building my app now, so you are going to be seeing that they have automatically generated our icon, which is this is the icon that we use, the favicon we use for our website. But you can easily change it. You can change. So let me just change this color here. Let me come to the image, and then let me look for the image here. Then let's select the image. So let me just use this red icon here now. So this is the icon I'm going to use, red. Then after that, I just click on save, and they are going to generate save this icon. So let's just give it some minutes. So as you can see that this has been changed to red, and then you can see these are the iOS and the Android. So we can either change both, or we can even match them both. So you can see here now is the let me say the screen style. Let me say the splash screen whenever someone just enter into it, and the first thing that they are going to see. So this is just it. You can just come here and customize it. So this is the iOS style. You can just come here and customize it, or you can just match the Android style to the iOS style, or you can match the iOS style to the Android style. So just take note that this platform only helps you to get your Android app. If you want to get the iOS, I think you have to subscribe to their plan. So once you are done with that, you can select your primary color, but I'm just going to be leaving everything just like this. So you can just come here and select your style, how you want everything to be. But I'm just going to be leaving it like this since it's a tutorial. So once you have done with everything here, I just need to click on save changes. Then you wait for the changes to be saved. So now you can see done. So you can come to this side also. So you can come to this bar here now. You can see some interface, website. Also you can just come to this side, and you are going to see some options. But I think some of them here are the pro plan. So you can just add some of whatsoever you want to add on your app. So here is the interface. So here is the interface, and on screen. So I'm just going to put this to on, and then full screen. Then I'm going to put it on full screen. I don't know if you understand what full screen is. Full screen is that the app is going to display in all your screen, so there's no phone header bar like all this, your battery percent, network and network name, so it won't be displaying on whenever you enter this app. So you can just disable it. I'm just going to enable it on my own case in the Android version, because in the Android we are going to be using. So I think there's nothing else, so you can just come to this, and you can also add, let me say, push notification, but I think that you need to subscribe to their plan for you to be able to do that. Yeah, you need to subscribe. You can see you need to subscribe to their plan for you to be able to do that. So then once you are done, or you can just go through the settings. I think you can do it without, okay, you can do it without subscribing, which is very nice and okay. So now once you are done editing whatever you want to edit on your app, once you are done, what you just need to do, you just need to click on this save changes, then let's save it again, then we click on done editing. The best thing that I love about this platform is that they are also going to be giving you the let me say, the app for you to be able to upload on your Google Play Store. So if you want the app to upload on your Google Play Store, fine, they are going to be giving you everything. So now let's click on download app, this download Android. So here now you can just, if you want to upload this app to Google Play Store, if you want to upload this app to Google Play Store, you can just click on sign with upload key here, then just click on sign with upload key, then you click on this build binaries. So but I'm not, this is just a tutorial, I'm just going to be converting this. You can come here, change the version, add your Firebase key, all the stuff. So this platform is very nice and cool, so you can just do this without paying anything. And for you to get your iOS app, this is the source code here. Now you can just say build source code, build binary, whatsoever you want to build. So I'm just going to click on build all, which means that it's going to be building the iOS and the Android app. So now let's wait. You can see that the building is going on. So we just need to give it some time. So the building is now complete. You can see that I can rebuild the source. You can download, this is the source code for your iOS version. So this is the source code. You can download the source code, then give it to an iOS developer for them to put it together and generate it to an APK file. So but in the Android, on the other side, they have already generated the APK file. This is the APK file, and this is the AAB file. This AAB file is the one that you are going to be uploading on your Google Play Store if you want to upload it. By doing that, like I said, first you need to sign in with upload keystone. So you just need to, without your keystone you can't be able to upload app on Google Play Store. So in case you want to do that, but just stay tuned, I'm to be showing you how you can easily upload your app, this platform, to Google Play Store. So just make sure that you subscribe, and if you want to know the website that you are using, don't skip this video, just watch it to the end. So now let me just quickly download my app, so and let's test it on our Android device. So let me just click on download button here now, then let me just put it here, then let me just save it, then download is now going. So I think that the download is almost done. So now let me upload this app on my Google Drive so that I can be able to get it with my Android phone and then test it for you guys to see. Let me just go to my Google Drive. This is my Google Drive here now, and let me just upload this. So as you can see, let me just get the, so So yeah, I have a file name, that same name. So let me just keep both file and let me just click on upload. So now our app is now uploading. So okay, our app is complete uploading. So now let me quickly download the app on my Android device and show you guys how perfectly is going to be working on your Android device depending on your own customization. So let's just quickly dive into my Android device now. I've downloaded the app from my Google Drive and I have installed the app on my smartphone. So now let's quickly preview this app and let's watch how it's going to look. So now this is the app here. You can see the splash screen and there you can see the home page, just exactly like the site. So let me just quickly log into my account. So then let me just click on login. Then you're going to see that it works exactly just like the website, and there's no watermark here or add. So there's no popping add or watermark. So you can see. So the reason why there is no bar here because I select full screen. So this is how it's going to look, and they're very nice and easy. So if you want to know more how you can be able to use this particular platform to customize your app, make it to look different from your website, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be dropping a whole lot of tutorials about this platform. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification so that you can't be able to miss any new video like this. See you in my next video.